In the Dick Goddard Weather Center with the first look of our wintry weekend forecast. Hi, Jen.
Hello, you're right. We've got some big changes headed in our direction, and we're already feeling them this afternoon. The colder air is now infiltrating our area. We likely hit a white Christmas, looking more and more favorable.
Oh, okay.
Well, if you're not in the holiday spirit yet, first of all, take a look at Stephanie Schaefer. If that doesn't do it for you, the snow this weekend will, right?
Thank you. Appreciate it. Sorry, I know I look like an elf.
No, I love it. It's
great.
so festive. I feel like I need to wear
The
some
ugly
red
sweaters this morning were fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you. And Santa and Mrs. Claus were here. It was so much fun. So, yeah.
They're talking about my ugly suits.
I didn't say a word.
You hear that,
I
I'm
did
wearing
hear
an ugly
that.
suit. Your words hurt back there.
Good afternoon. I hope you're having a great Friday so far. Our temperatures this afternoon headed into the mid-30s, so the colder air has moved in, and this evening we'll be tracking some scattered snow showers. Not going to amount to anything, but they'll be passing by from time to time. Temperatures right now generally in the mid and upper 30s. It's 39 at Burke Lakefront, 35 in Lorain, 38 in Willoughby, but you factor in these southwesterly winds sustained between 5 to upwards of 15. It feels more like the upper 20s in spots. 26 is what it feels like in Port Clinton, 27 in Lorain, 31 in Akron. So it feels just below the freezing point. But we still have more cold air to move in. This is just the start of it. Our temperatures are going to range at least 5 to 10 degrees colder than what we've been used to the last week. We do have the cloud cover that has moved back into the area. It was such a treat to see the sunshine this morning. Unfortunately, we only had a glimpse of it because the clouds have moved back into our area, and as we head into the afternoon, our temperatures are just going to get colder in the mid-30s. This is when the disturbance moves in. We'll have some scattered snow showers at times, pockets of flurries, and we could possibly have a quick dusting on the ground in some of those spots. Now, as we move into the weekend, more of the same. Clouds around, some flurries flying from time to time, but colder. Our temperatures only ranging in the low 30s on Saturday. As we head into Saturday evening, we drop back into the upper 20s, and we'll be watching for a lake effect snow band to set up on the east side. So those along I-90 east and in our northern spots here of Lake and Ashtabula County, you're going to want to pay attention to this forecast. As we move through the night, that band sneaks in right along the lake shore. We could have some accumulating snow with this, and of course some tricky travel by Sunday morning. Outside of that, clouds will be common, and there will be passing snow showers from time to time. Now, that's not the only lake effect time event. We'll likely have another band set up as we head into Sunday night and Monday morning. So 2 bands to watch here. How much snow? Again, with just these scattered snow showers around, could have a light dusting, candy coating in some spots for most of us. Here's the snow belt community, and there will be pockets in Lake and northern Ashtabula County where we could have several inches, 3+ in some areas, isolated. Now, it's more about the cold. You've got that 1-2 punch. One happening this weekend where temperatures below average, but we've got even colder air moving in middle to end of next week. And with the colder air in place, we'll be tracking a couple of storms here, the potential of snow on the ground for Christmas. So we're used to having some snow on the ground for Christmas at times. Mainly like about a dusting to an inch. We're 64% of us, we've never had snow on Christmas, but about 5% chance that we could have 3 inches or more. And I actually think we have a shot of being in that percentage. So how much snow? The most on the ground for Christmas, we've had 20 inches. Just a couple of years ago, almost 10 inches of snow. So maybe over 3 this year. We'll see. It's looking more. We won't have to worry about bringing any school delays for you because it'll be likely if they had school.
Right. Yeah. That's true. All right.
All the sledding you want.
I was just going to say, dust off those sleds. Get them out.
Yep.
Thank you.
Greatly. Here's Jen Harcher now, the first check on the forecast.
Yeah, we've been talking about this pattern change, and it's here. We're noticing it today. We've got the colder air pooling into our area. That temperatures this time yesterday, cold. Lots of clouds around and flurries, more of the same. We've got an Arctic punch of air moving in as we head into Christmas. So that's why our snow chances are going through the roof.
Ooh, I should
Sometimes those Arctic punches hurt, you know? They do. They get you right there.
Especially when you need to get that shovel out. That's
Great
not good.
news for our ski resorts, though. They'll be
True.
able to make snow, and Mother Nature will be making snow as well.
Bureau, and you are tech smart.
Future is now. All right, and what about a white Christmas? You think we're going to get one?
I do. Jen's been telling us for weeks now, pretty much, right?
I do. I think we're gonna have a white Christmas.
Some luck, right? Some
doubt.
Christmas cheer.
Be nice.
Yes, that would be great.
Thanks, Jen.
We better
Have
just
a
don't watch.
wonderful day. You'll be on it for a lot of good stories you guys are working on.